Welcome to Shen's Big World 2018 time.
In today's video,
it's breakfast.
Woo!
Breakfast. Our toast is hot, the sausage is hot, and the hash browns. We just sat here, and now we're gonna start eating. Ooh, this feels totally insanely hot.
The chicken for a moment.
Start with sausage. I got syrup for my
looky-loo.
My vitamins and yogurt. Sometimes I either get banana or strawberries.
Oh, I forgot the banana.
Oh well. Not today. Like, these are like over 200 degrees. Might as well go check my temperature. Be right back, guys. I'll pause it. Alright, my head temperature is about 97 degrees. See? So you can see that well, but still 97 degrees, you know. You know, let's put this back. Once you're done, you just put this back on.
Bingo bash.
Let's go see what your temperature is.
Oh, mine? You got the cover on. You gotta wait till it's lit. Watch. Well, sure, or did you press it too many times? Okay, lit up with the head. Click it. Swipe it. 96.9.
Mom's 96.9.
Daddy don't think this is correct.
I think the average body temperature is about 98 degrees Fahrenheit. 0.6.
Hey.
Our temperatures are at least a teeny, teensy, winsy, insy, bitsy.
Spider.
Want to go see for weather?
The insy beansy spider. The water spout.
I think we'll still get freezing rain. See? Snow.
Yeah, we're not going to get that much. It's going to be rain, 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 rain.
Now,
I'm telling you.
We're still going to get a tiny bit of snow at
Yeah,
least.
like maybe an inch.
Or maybe 2 inches.
Nada. I mean, I wish we would get more snow, but...
You take 4 vitamins now.
Uh-huh. Where is... Here we go. Couldn't find my game. What the hell? Let's try one of these. Ooh. What the heck?
And I got Roblox back on my phone.
Oh, wow.
7:30. Still
Got
got an hour and a half left until school.
Yeah, we gotta get our walk in. Yeah.
That's in an hour.
Yeah. What's the temperature out now? Is it cold, cold, cold?
At 7:30 a.m., the temperature is 28 degrees Fahrenheit. See? 28.
Me no likey. Oh, you know what? It's okay.
And around 8:30, it's gonna be 30 degrees. So it's like it's gonna be 2 Celsius.
By the time we get back here, I'm sweating from being bundled up so well.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. Oh ho ho ho. Hee 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 hee. Now looky here.
It's
Bingo.
dipping my French toast sticks into the syrup bowl. I like it with syrup.
Oh, my leg, my leg.
Mom.
Huh?
Why did you say my leg? My leg.
I just get pain in it once in a while.
Let's go check your body temperature. Get it all.
Come on, don't. You're going to break it.
Okay.
That thing. Well, you know what, though? We need a new one. Because I think, like your daddy said, I don't think it's as correct as it used to be. You know what I mean? You don't got to bang it down either. Oh, Merry Christmas
to you.
I'll sing. Don't make me sing. You know I'll do it.
La la la.
I'll sing our song.
No.
That's for the car only. I'm a car singer only. We got 69.
Can you sing our Christmas song?
That's about it.
No.
I think just by that people know what our song is.
Hey, bud.
I didn't win nothing. Hey, I leveled up. Leveled up. No, I'll play again, but I'm doing free one this time. Ain't catching me spending anymore. Nope. Sorry, Santa.
What are you listening to?
Your butt. Yeah, hey, YouTubers.
What?
I was sitting here earlier. Don't show me. I was sitting here earlier, and Shannon comes over, and he walks by, points his butt at me, and farts.
No.
You did. It was disgusting.
No, I did that. Please. Guys,
You did, and it stunk like.
Oh,
I don't want to say what. I thought that was very disgusting. I told him get away.
It was yummy. Oh, come on. Stop it.
You gross little gremlin.
No, please don't say it.
Alright, that's all. Eat your breakfast. We ain't going anywhere. God bless America.
God bless everyone in the world.
Well, yes, that's true. Oh, my eye. Oh, my eye.
You got these hash browns from McDonald's.
Yeah, I'll never try making hash browns again. That was the awfulest thing. Oh, my God. I can really cook, but boy.
Not bad.
Nope. Maybe one other day I'll try again. We got to make sure we bake all our cookies this weekend. You know what I mean? What do you think? We're going to be a baking machine.
Maybe we'll do a how-to.
I just, the counter space here is horrible for making cookies. There's no counter space to let them cool off at. We always got to end up piling on one time. Oh, whatever. What? Is it that delicious? Come on, calm down now. I always tell you, you take too big bites. I gotta find a real good soft cookie recipe. You know what I mean?
Boy, do I like hash browns.
You say that again.
Hey, Mom.
Eat him like a little piggy.
I got a would you rather question for you. Would you rather have sauce? Would you rather have an egg McMuffin or hash brown?
Try egg McMuffin.
Egg McMuffin?
What is egg McMuffin?
It's a breakfast sandwich from McDonald's.
Yeah, I understand that, but what's on it? Is that the one where it's just egg, cheese on an English muffin, or which is it?
Yeah.
I think it's egg, sausage, cheese, something. I don't know. I don't know, because we only order the same thing every time if we ever get breakfast, which is very rare.
Yeah, and
what is it me and you get all the time?
Egg and cheese biscuits.
Yeah, so I don't know what an egg McMuffin is.
Hey, Mom.
I know it's on the English muffin, I think.
Can you tell them what we did yesterday? How it was popular?
What did we do yesterday? I don't know. What did we do yesterday? I don't think we went anywhere.
Or
We went on a walk.
At home.
We went on a walk.
Yeah, no, bad.
You went to school. I don't know. What? Tell me.
Oh yeah, we did our chore chart.
Yeah, made up your chore chart over there.
Can you tell them some chores?
Cleaning room, brushing your teeth at morning and night.
Ha! I'm pretending this French toast stick was my toothbrush and I put some water. Then on the head. Who is that? And Dad's not here because he's digging up snow.
See what?
What is Dad doing? I forgot what's that thing.
They're putting a plow on the front of his dump truck so he can be plowing snow.
Plowing?
So depending on the weather, he won't be home till Thursday. Oh!
What on earth?
Well,
Are you doing? Oh.
well, because I'm tapping on the screen here. That's all. That's all now. Come on, that's on my nerves. It's hurting Reese's ears. Seriously, don't let that bang again.
Okay, I won't.
Please and thank you.
I'm watching you guys. I mean, what other chores?
Oh, put clothes in the washing machine.
Mm-hmm.
Put clothes in the dryer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
What?
I messed up my game. What else is on there? Make your, to finish all your schoolwork by Friday.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes I really retry assignments when I get like not satisfactory. That means you need to try it again.
No, satisfactory means you did it. It wasn't anything spectacular, but you did it. That's what that means.
Yeah.
And sometimes that's good enough. Sometimes. Not every time, though.
Yeah.
Do. Daddy texted me a picture. I'm gonna look. See, there it is again. Hold on. Alright, well, hold on.
I'm gonna show you guys.
Oh, get a bingo. Alright, let's see.
You can see too, guys.
No, just wait, please.
Come on,
I can't stand people that say snacky. Alright, here we go. Oh, wow. Nope.
Let me show you. Show you Dad's
That's his
dump truck.
Oh, that's the plow on there.
See? That's Dad's dump truck. That's what it looks like.
And now they're going to have to, I think he said go downtown to Baltimore City where the Domino's sugar plant is and get salt, believe it or not, from there. Because that's what they put on the roads. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He's got lots of food.
Yeah, he's got a huge dump truck, so.
Yeah. Last night before I went to bed, I saw he's got a pizza, apple, banana, and a cosmic brownie from Little Debbie. You know, like those small brownies.
Oh, yeah, he used to love those.
Yeah, I love them so much.
Oh, you like them too?
Yeah.
I thought you liked my brownies better.
Nah.
You said you liked my brownies better. Did you lie? Or are you lying now?
No, okay. Your Fellows chocolate chip brownies are my favorite, but cosmic brownies are my second. Yeah, and those brownies in the air fryer, so it's horrible.
Yeah.
Those are the worst brownies I've ever eaten.
Oh, I know, wasn't it?
Yeah.
They were so greasy and hard and, yuck.
Ugh.
And we followed that recipe, but nope. Don't do air fryer brownies, everybody.
Yeah.
Not ever.
Concrete.
I guess if that's the only thing you had, but...
Like concrete. It's hard.
Concrete, yeah. Oh, it would break your teeth off. That's funny. That's exactly the good description.
Mm-hmm.
Bob Evans down on the farm.
Have you wrote any other chores for me to do?
Keeping calm, using calming techniques.
Yeah, like, I have, like, calming problems. Like, when I get mad, I, like, hurt Mom, but I don't want to. Yeah, maybe it must be my autism. I really, like, want you to stop. I just want you to, like, get mad and then, like, go to my room for, like, 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Well, you'll get there. We keep working on it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, but...
That's alright.
Ooh.
No. We don't eat the syrup. Thank you very much. No. You sound like a little piggy.
You sound like a big piggy.
Oh, God. George.
That's what
You must put your boots on.
No, I'm not, Mommy. Would have been so funny what big without his boots.
Oh, my God.
And what if Snoopy was actually a reindeer and Woodstock was a dog?
Oh, that's crazy.
I'm a dog, that's and I'm a Woodstock.
Hey, you're gonna fall. Oh my God.
Snoopy. Woodstock and Snoopy.
Oh, is that where? Didn't we buy that wrapping paper? The Snoopy
what?
one?
What?
At Aldi, remember?
Yeah.
Where did I put it?
I don't know. Gosh, do you know where Mom put it?
Mm-hmm.
I bet it's stop.
Put it there.
At least show them.
I don't
Hey
want
guys,
to be
want to
on
see
camera.
outside? You can't see my eyes, but you can still hear me. Now you can see me. See? What's this one outside right now? Look. See? That's our patio. Got some gnomes. Some made up gnomes. Now it's time for you to sit up and join my...
Now it's time to wrap this up. Subscribe to our channel, everybody.
No. Okay.
Like this video, leave the comments below, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See you.
Yeah. One day my mom forced me to like instead of doing whoo, I do mwah. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not.
Subscribe to our channel, like the video, connect with the notification, miss any of our videos. See you.
No, I am not doing that.
How come? It's
Just
cute.
my regular whoo.
Oh, it's cute.
No, this is silly.
Whoo. Where'd you ever come up with that?
I don't know. Maybe I just wanted to make an intro of my own.
What, do you think you're an owl?
See you. Woo. No, of course. What do you think? Do I look like an owl?
Do you think
No.
you're an owl?
No, I'm a human.
Are you sure?
See?
Are you
I
sure?
got 5 fingers on each. I got 2 eyes.
I don't know.
I got a weird nose shape. What? Boogers
I
in
don't know. Don't pick your nose on camera. Oh, Lord.
it.
Don't pick your nose at all, I guess, actually.
Let me show you my advent calendar. I'm almost done with it.
Oh, yeah. How many days left?
I think 8 more days until Christmas Eve.
Mm.
And we're going to do a long Christmas opening present video on Mom's laptop, which is this. Yeah.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There
That's our
is just
song.
one thing I need, and I don't care
I'll
about
say
the
like
presents underneath the Christmas tree. Stop!
Hi, win morning for the table.
Alright, that's enough.
You'll never know this.
Messed it all up. Give
Well,
me
that's
that.
just on the top of the computer.
I cover the camera. You
I
never
didn't
know.
cover the computer.
I don't. I cover the camera.
You're going to take it off once I do that video.
I'm gonna take it
I
off
want
with
everyone
that
seeing us
video.
do it.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes. Yeah.
No infinity. That means
Yes.
you can't top
Yes,
that.
beyond.
You can't top that one.
Yes, beyond. No infinity. No, yes, beyond.
Don't show your belly.
Okay, this is getting so silly.
All right,
Hey,
wrap this up.
2012. But I'm not done with breakfast yet.
Well, what are you doing over there?
I'm just, like having fun.
Making up things. Please
You're
stop
scared.
doing that. Oh, Jesus Christ.
What is this happening to you guys? You have any walking problems? Jeez.
Do you have any walking problems?
Or
Is that Christopher walking problems?
No, like
I need more cowbell.
once a minute, every time you walk, you fall down. Ah! That's when you need to go to your hospital, your local hospital. No. All right, let's keep eating. Now we got your.
I want to be on the camera too. Oh.
No. Okay. No, but you can say hi to family real quick.
Yay! Hey everybody! It's us, Alina and Chelsea, your favorite babies in all history. Yee.
Alright, babies. Alright, Mom, put them back.
Alright, subscribe to our channel, babies.
No! Maybe, hey, Chelsea.
Yeah?
Want to create your very own channel?
No.
Hey, Alina.
No.
You want? I guess the baby still wants to make a channel.
I said no.
Yeah.
Now stop asking.
I thought you wanted to be on
Stop
camera so
asking
bad. No, but now you don't
No.
want to. I'll help
Whatever.
you. Come on, babies.
Stop asking me.
Babies.
I'm gonna smack you.
Well, if you want to smack me, why aren't you smacking me? Just smack me in the face, whatever.
Smack me in the face, whatever.
If you're not doing it, I'll do it.
Don't do that. Oh my goodness.
Do it in slow-mo.
The thing's
Whoa.
in slow motion. You YouTubers fall again, that's it. Everybody's getting punished.
You too, Mom. You're getting punished.
Oh, that's alright.
For moving
Put me in my room for a while. I'll learn my lesson.
Nah.
Away from everybody.
Okay, I'll scare you for your punishment. Roar!
Alright.
Well, if I wasn't that scary,
Nah.
you get like a fake human roar.
Yeah.
Only lines to do that.
Right. Right. Turn on the light. We're gonna lose our minds tonight. What's
Yeah.
the dealio?
Diggly you. And for this special, I got library or media,
Oh,
and
yeah?
we're doing more codes on code.org.
Oh, the coding?
Yeah,
You're
coding.
good at that, I think.
Yeah, like debugging with Laura.
That's fun, I think.
Yeah.
I like that when you have that.
And
for
the Ice
assignment.
Age and the Angry Birds one.
Mhm.
You should try it, guys. You should try code.org. Yeah.
Oh, is that what it's on?
Yeah, it's on clever.
Oh, on your, yeah.
And I also got Dreambox and Ice Station. Yeah. If you don't know Dreambox or Ice Station, you should like search like.
No, they can't. That's the thing. You have to be from your county, so. Nix.
Okay. Just say the website of code.org. Alright,
That's all.
Alright, I'll say my school name.
No,
Okay,
you know that.
I'm just kidding. I'm just
Oh,
kidding.
Lordy, help me. Punish me now.
Oh Lordy, help
Put me in
us
my
all.
room. Oh, goodness. Nope, no bingos that time. Sweet.
Looks like my phone battery's already 70.
I never responded to your father.
And right now it's about 7:50.
Hey, what happened to my
AM.
typing on here?
On
It looks
Wednesday,
weird.
December 16th, 2020. Then on Mondays and Wednesdays, I got reading.
You do not, you liar.
Yes, I do.
You
And
lie
then on
like a rug.
Then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I got writing.
Liar.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Papa doobie da dee da ba.
gonna take this big bite. Ah.
Santa baby.
Who's that now?
Daddy again. Now come on, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight.
Cheer me. Let me show you the apps I got.
Bum, 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 bum,
Bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum, bum.
Was that our rendition of it?
Poopy pants. Let's continue eating. We still got 40 minutes left. No, 39 minutes. So wait, 30. We gotta go for our morning walk. We do that every day just for fun. I love taking walks.
I take on your arm, and lost in the game. Oh baby, baby, oops, think I'm in the wrong. And then, oh, that's not a Christmas song.
Yeah.
Let's sing.
Let's sing. All right, here's a fart song, guys.
No.
Oh my God, I love farts.
Shannon.
Okay.
What's a Christmas song you'd like to sing?
Frosty the Snowman. Yeah, we sang that at music yesterday.
I know, you sounded really good, too.
Frosty the Snowman.
No,
was
sing
a
it
jolly
right.
happy-
Oh my gosh. Crack yourself up, I swear.
Frosty. Frosty. Okay, I don't have to keep shushing me. Frosty. Frost.
I know we're shushing.
Snowman was a really
And two eyes made out of coal.
Frosty.
I don't know the words that well.
Snowman was a really stupid guy
Oh, no he wasn't.
who
Don't
had-
say
who
that.
had 8 foot socks and he has 3 eyes like a monster.
Alright, that's enough.
Fum-de fum fum fum-de fum fum. Look at Frosty go.
Oh yeah, I remember that part now.
Frosty Snowman was a nice happy snowman. He was pretty and he dressed up like a girl, but nobody wanted him to look
No.
like a boy.
That's all.
Frosty the girl man. Frosty the snow girl.
That's all.
Would have been funny if it was Frosty the snow girl.
Yeah, a totally different story, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, maybe not really.
Every boy would like him. They would marry him. Or her. Because the girl is her and the boy is him. And Dad got Mama a new Christmas present. Let me go show you.
I hope it's a new one.
Yeah, but we'll open that on Christmas Day morning.
Yeah, stop touching it.
I just I'm feeling it because
I
it
know,
has
but
a
you
pretty
keep
nice
looking at it a
wrapper.
little bit, too. I don't want to see what it is before Christmas.
But you can look at it and see the
I'm not
wrapper.
going to. I'm done with all that.
Come
I used
on.
to be very nosy and have to know what things were, but no, I want to be surprised now.
Look, guys, here's our big Christmas tree. Look at all those pretty ornaments and lights.
You did a good job, didn't you?
Yeah, I had a really good job. See? Look. Alright, let's keep eating.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays from Shannon's Big Road. 2019, 2020 gaming.
Are you done eating yet? Did you take your vitamins?
I'm almost done. I just need to take a few more bites of my yogurt. Reese's cute. Let me go show you Reese.
Don't bother her, please.
Okay. Look, guys. Here's Reese.
Easy with
There's
her,
Reese.
please.
Here she goes.
There's the girl. Hi, good girl.
Here she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
Hi, good
There
girl.
she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes.
Don't chase her now,
Let's get eaten.
please.
Okay. Whoa. I won't. And I already petted Reese. I'll have to do now for my breakfast day.
Breakfast of champions. Oh.
Okay, breakfast of falls.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait to watch this video and see you fall. What? Are you okay, guys?
I think they broke an arm. Alright, we'll pause it.
See you.
Oh no, I'm playing bingo.
Sorry, she didn't. Nah, you know what?
Pause it.
I'm just going to. Okay, I'll pause it.
There you go.
Okay, now I'll pause it. Well, I thought of a new intro for when my channel reaches 3 years of videos.
Oh wow, when's that gonna be?
Welcome to Shen's Big World.
Huh?
Welcome.
I'm
to
asking you a question. Why are you ignoring me?
I don't know.
That's rude. I said, when is it 3 years?
September 16th,
That's September
2021.
16th? Wow.
Welcome to Shen's Big World. 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 Finally an 80 time. Woo! In today's video, this is what I will sound like in 10 years. Oh, I graduated from high school, everyone.
Did you eat your yogurt?
Yeah.
Take your vitamins?
Right? Ooh, I still need to eat though. I'm like taking my minion vitamins. I got an elderberry and a Charlotte's Web. Let me show you.
No, don't.
Okay.
Thank you.
What can I show them? Please. What can I show them? You know what?
When your mother ignores you, that means stop asking.
No.
It does. I'm trying to tell you tricks of the trade.
Tricks of a trade.
I don't know, something like that.
In backward smoke. We're doing it this way.
What's something else we can get your father? Hmm?
I don't know.
I know, he's so hard to shop for.
Oh, we can get him a new.
Because anything you get him, he doesn't really like. I don't know.
We'll get him a new iPhone.
Yeah, no, we don't. Yeah, we don't have just thousands of dollars laying around. Sorry. If that were the case, I'd get myself a new one too. We'd have like the latest, greatest instead of like 5 phones back.
Yeah. Stick with a second. We need vitamin. Oh, sure. See? Just.
Ooh, you okay?
Yeah.
Ooh, that had to hurt.
It doesn't hurt that much.
Ooh, it had to hurt. Did you break something?
Of course I didn't break it.
Did you break your arm?
No, of
Oh
course
God!
I did.
Don't
I
even
can
want to
still
talk
move my
about that.
arm.
God, that would hurt. Oh my Lord!
I did not.
Don't even
do
talk
it.
about it.
I did not.
Stop
do
talking
it.
about it.
I did not.
Oh
I
God!
did not,
Stop!
I did not hurt
Stop
it. for
talking
goodness
about
sake.
it.
I did not hurt it.
Ow, my leg.
You broke your leg.
Yep. Oh my God.
Oops. Hey Siri. What's the weather
Don't
going to be
yell.
on Christmas?
Oh my Lord. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. That's all I got. But the fire so delightful. Is that
Look,
how
on Christmas Day it's gonna be snowing. See, December 25th, it's gonna be snowing.
when I see it, I'll believe it. Or however the saying goes.
It's gonna be light snow showers, but I think it's still gonna be snowing. Not too much.
Not at all. Not at all. You like candy?
And we run out of paper plates. So
No, I'm not gonna buy
these,
paper plates anymore.
But what if they're easier to, like, in case we drop them, it doesn't break. Mm-hmm. Come on, Mom, hurry, are we gonna buy paper plates? I want them back.
I said no. It's bad for the environment too, so.
Well, most people use paper plates.
I don't think so, actually, no.
I think so.
I think you're wrong.
I think you're wrong.
Let's take a poll. Take a poll.
Yeah.
Because you know I'm right.
No, yeah, I'm right. I'm copying what Mom says from now on.
You do all the time.
You do all the time.
I stink.
I stink.
I like to fart on my mother.
I like to fart on my mother.
I pick my nose at night
I pick my nose at night
when I sleep.
when I sleep.
And my mom laughs at me.
And my mom laughs at me.
I always think I'm going to stay up all night watching horror movies, but I fall asleep in 2
I'm always
minutes.
going to stay up all night watching a horror movie, but I fall asleep in like 2 minutes.
And I eat pizza all day and night.
Now I eat pizza all day and night.
And when I do fall asleep, my mom sneaks off into the kitchen and gets snacks of her own.
And then when my mom goes to bed, she gets a snack. Okay, that's not what Mom said. Yeah.
Razzle dazzle.
Yeah. These elderberry vitamins, they grow.
Well, it helps your immune system, so eat them.
Yeah. That's just right.
Oh, stop, Mr. Drama.
No. That's so gross.
Get over yourself.
No.
My face. Alright, come on. Wrap it up.
Not done yet.
Potato 4.
We've still got about
People got a
25
life to
minutes.
live. They can't sit here watching you all day.
But 38 minutes is not in a day. People watch it anytime.
Oh, it is because they rewind it over and over and over and over.
No, we didn't.
Well, how do you know they don't? Maybe they do.
Because they like watching entire videos.
I know I get bored and it's like, okay, I'm done. I gotta go somewhere else now.
Nah. I could watch this entire video today. I'm sure it's gotta be the same elderberry vitamins I had last week. Yeah. These are like so gross elderberries.
That's all.
Oh
Oh well. Subscribe to our channel, everybody.
No.
Like this
I'm
video.
not done yet.
Leave the comments below.
No.
And press that bacon notification button so I can eat bacon every day. See you. Mwah. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you okay? I didn't mean to make you choke. I forgot you had it in your mouth. I'm sorry, sweetheart. You know that's like my phobia. What? Just sit and relax a minute. You alright?
Hey guys, 1, 2, 5, 3, 6. Okay.
Leave her alone for a while, please. She's probably sad because
Daddy's not here.
She must be so sad. But she is
Poor
extreme.
girl. See? Alright, that's all. Alright.
So guys, look, an Earth globe ornament. I'm going to eat all people in North America. Just kidding, I never pronounce food. Only I can eat pizza and hot dogs for at least about the rest of my life. Until I die. I just don't want to die. I just want to stay alive forever until the world ends. Look, guys. Oops, I need to. He's off the tree. Hold on, I need to fix him before I wrap this up. Fine, you can sit up. Sit up, guys. Go hang up. Him on the light. Ugh, sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm really extremely sorry. But I finally hang him up. Hey, Lucy, do you have anything to say to the YouTubers and views? She wants me to subscribe. She said she wants to. She really wants to subscribe to my channel. And Reese loves you guys. Oh, that's nice of you, Reese. Do you have any? Reese's licking me. Reese's licking my hand. Yeah. Reese's licking me.
Are you gonna wrap this up so we can go take our walk?
In a couple minutes.
Alright, I guess we can go walk.
We'll go for a walk, but we'll get ready in like a minute or two. We still got about 25 minutes left. We need to get.
What's this?
What time is it? Can you go check?
8:08.
We still got about 20 minutes.
That's a good girl.
Still.
That's a good girl. Don't keep lifting her, okay?
I just love her.
Well, I know, but she's not a doll. You can't make her go and bend the way you want her to.
Okay. Hey, Reese. I wish Reese was a doll. So that I can be, like, maybe I can be a toy monster. All my toys everywhere. But I'm not going to do it to poor Reese. Look, guys, Reese's just a little doggy. See, guys? Where's Reese? Hey, Reese, what else do you have to say? Hey, Reese, do you have any? She said, like this video. Hey, Reese, do you want to say one more thing? Hey, Reese, do you have anything to? And she also said, leave a comment down below and see if you like it or not. What else? One more thing, Reese.
Tell me, girl. Tell me.
And she said, press a notification bell so that you don't, Shannon, you guys don't miss any of our videos. Yeah, Reese. That's a nice thing to say to the YouTubers. And people that haven't created a YouTube channel but watch my videos on my YouTube channel. I'm going to do videos forever. Maybe I'll even do one after I die in heaven. I wonder if I can even try and do a video in heaven on my phone after I die. But let's not talk about that.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, isn't Reese just a cute little baby? She isn't a baby, she's like almost a baby dog. Reese seems cute still. Oh, Reese, you're on YouTube.
Hi.
You're on YouTube. Reese's on YouTube. I bet she's been in like at least 5 or I don't know how much videos Reese's been in. I know it's less than 100. I think she was.
Outside is frightful.
Alright.
But something.
Once it says 40.
So delightful.
Once this says 45 minutes, I'll wrap this up.
Well, how long is that?
44 minutes and 51 seconds.
Oh.
Alright guys, wrap it up in a few seconds after a quick receipt. Oh, jeez.
Don't get in her face.
Oops, it's 45 minutes. Alright guys, it's time to wrap this video up. Thank you guys for so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave a comment down below, press the notification bell so I don't miss any videos of you.